So to do the FM, I go to first, let's say, ramp, and then start to FM. There is an FM patch happening. Is this a sine wave with the distortion? This is, I'm using this modulator, which is a phase distortion oscillator. So we are distorting a sine wave on the modulator section. Then I'm modulating a ramp waveform, a sawtooth waveform on the carrier. Let me show the... This is the carrier. We are listening only the carrier. And this is the modulator. Separate sounds. Now the modulator going to FM the carrier. Here. And let's say I can also use folds. Let's make very fast. Yeah. FM patch. So yeah, I explained better at the beginning of the streaming. So after you can rewatch the deep explanation. And now I'm going to use a band pass filter on this. Juicy. And then throw some long reverb on this. And this is our ambience patch. Really simple. Yeah, just throw some reverb on the page.